Oprah Winfrey visit Maui shelter to hand out supplies after devastating fire wildfire, a little overwhelming. Oprah Winfrey is lending a hand to those impacted by the tragic wildfire in Maui. And of course, Oprah went to a local shelter to ask firsthand what was most needed before heading to the shop for the items and bring them back. We also learned that she plans to do more as it becomes near clear which funds can be the most hopeful for the short time and long term rebuilding. Don't forget to subscribe.